My name is Jonathan Nagash. Today I just presenting my objects from a plane. I am using Blender version 2.6. I'm Georgia State University from computer animation class. Uh, this was my final assignment, final objectives. It is a kind of TV studio. This one is the back part of the studio. This is the front part of the studio. This is the floor or something like that. The main purpose of this assignment is just to introduce how we are using material in texturing and give tutor for Blender users, especially 2.6 too. Uh, Therefore, now I wanted to show you how I am doing all these stuff. First, I go to this is I just making from this my objectives, and first I expand it. After I am expanding, I subdividing it as and I extrude it. Again I subdivided it. Now I make the back part of the studio. This is the back part of the studio, and I extrude it. I extrude it. I make the front part of the studio like this. I subdividing it again. I don't need this part, therefore I wanted to cancel it. Also, to make some kinds of decoration, I wanted to do this. Now again I extrude it. Oh, I make the front part of the studio. This is a table. Most journalists are read their news from here. Now I will render it. Wow, when I will render it, I got this. This is the back part of the studio. This is the front part. This is the floor part. Now my next part is I will show you how I am using different kinds of uh, how to apply for on this object material and texturing. I go to edit mode, then I just pressing those places what I'm taking. First I show you the material, how I'm applying the material, and I will assign here new part, and I go to here. I can choose different kinds of color, different kinds. It's better I'm using this. The color is not showing right now, but when I will render it, I'll show all the colors. Again, I wanted to show the texturing part. To do the texturing part, I just go here and new, and I go to image and movie. I bring my object from here, I think it's good to use this one. Okay, I'm applying this one. Finally I will render it. This is when I will render the material part. I will get these objects. When I'm rendering the texturing part and the material part, I'll get this is my objects I just made from a plant. This is the back part of the studio, this is the front part of the studio, this part in these parts are also, these parts are texturing. I take different kinds of picture from outside of or from my desktop and I will apply on my object. This is the material part, I just using the blender's color. Therefore this is my final object. Thanks for listening my tutor.